Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to disable Conversation View on Gmail on your PC. With the new update, Gmail has made it easier to customize your inbox to suit your preferences. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your browser. Then, navigate to the top bar and locate the gear icon. Click on it to access the settings menu. Next, click on See All Settings to open up the full settings options. From the General section, look for the option labeled Conversation View. Once you've found Conversation View, click on it to toggle it off. This will disable the feature that groups emails together into conversations. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes to confirm your selection. Gmail will ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and click on Confirm to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully disabled Conversation View on Gmail on your PC. Now your emails will be displayed individually in your inbox. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.